Louis-Joseph Papineau was a man who left his mark on the political history of Lower Canada. Born in Montreal in 1786 to a wealthy family, he was the son of a politician. After law school, he became a lawyer. He soon tired of this profession and decided to enter politics like his father. In 1809, he was elected to the Legislative Assembly. This would be the beginning of a long career in politics. During his career as a member of the Assembly, he represented several constituencies, especially in the Montreal region. He was elected Speaker of the Legislative Assembly in 1815. From that moment on, his power would only continue to grow. Papineau entered politics at a time when political parties were just being created. He joined the Canadian Party, later called the Patriot Party. Papineau was a skilled orator who was very popular among French Canadians. He made it his duty to represent and defend them. For him, Lower Canada was a distinct geographic, economic, and cultural space that was destined to always be the home of the Catholic and Francophone inhabitants. In 1830, he believed that the British political institutions were most conducive to ensuring the happiness of the people. Any problems were due to excessive power held by the English aristocrats and merchants. In the year 1837 to 1838, he would be strongly involved with the Patriots' struggle to defend the role of French Canadians in political affairs.